Hello, today we will guide you through how to play video in Google Drive without downloading. If you have a video saved in Google Drive and you want to watch it right away without saving a copy to your device, this process is very simple. Google Drive includes a built-in preview feature that lets you open and play supported video files directly in your browser. This can save time, save storage space on your computer or phone, and make it easier to quickly check a video before deciding what to do with it. To begin, open Google Drive. You can do this in your web browser and go to your Drive homepage, where your files and folders are stored. Once you are there, look through your files until you find the video you want to play. If you have a lot of files in your Drive, it may help to switch to List View or use the search bar at the top to locate the video more quickly. When you find the video, move your attention to the left side of that video's row and click the three dots associated with it. This opens the File Options menu. The three-dot menu is where Google Drive keeps many useful actions for a file, such as sharing, moving, or opening it in different ways. In this case, you will use it to access the viewing option without downloading the file. After the menu opens, hover over the option labeled Open With. You do not need to click immediately if a submenu appears when you place your cursor over it. This part is important because it gives you more ways to open the selected file depending on the type of file and the available tools in your Google account. From the submenu, click Preview. As soon as you select Preview, Google Drive will open the video in its built-in viewer. From there, you can press play and watch the video directly online without downloading it to your device. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the video file, it may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds if playback does not start right away. And that's it. By opening the file through Preview, you can quickly watch videos stored in Google Drive while keeping everything online and organized. This is especially helpful when you only want to review a clip, confirm the contents of a file, or avoid using extra storage space.